Hi guys, Trevor again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join our Discord and how to get started with our Genie AI Tutor. Now for this video, you're going to need a Discord account. Navigate over to discord.com/download and you can download the client for your computer. Alternatively, you can use it through your Android or iOS device, or you can even use it through your browser. Once you've downloaded whatever client you want, make sure to sign up and create an account. Once you've created a Discord account, go back to genieprep.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in on the home page, go over to the top right menu and you're going to click on Profile. You're going to scroll down into this section that says Discord Connection, and you're going to see this big button right here that says Genie Prep Discord. We're going to open that and we're going to click on Continue to Discord. If you're logged in, clicking that link will take you over to this page. Click on Join Genie Prep, and at first on the left hand side you'll only see two channels, Rules and README. Go ahead and click on that README. This is how to link your account so that you can see more areas. So we're going to go and navigate back to genieprep.com/profile. Again, we're going to scroll down to the Discord connection and we're going to click on this Connect with Discord. This will give us the following roles: civil, afternoon, morning, and statics. This page will pop up asking us to connect our accounts. We're going to click on Authorize. And here we see Disconnect from Discord, so that means that it's been connected. Let's navigate back to Discord. On the left-hand side, we can see now we have access to many more channels. One of the first things you should do is go over to this Getting Help, and you can read these steps before posting any questions. After that, go over to the Welcome channel and say hello. As you're navigating through the course, if you ever have any questions or comments, you can go over to the appropriate section and then post there. Okay, great. We're now ready to start interacting with the bot. But before we can do that, we're going to have to agree to the terms of service. So we're going to go down to the lower left-hand corner and we're going to use something called / command. So we're going to type in /. From this list, we're going to choose /TOS. We're going to hit enter. Then we're going to agree to the terms of service. And now we're ready to start asking questions. To see how to use the bot, we first have to go back to the course. Here I am in the math section. Intro to problem 12, determine the type of equation. Now, let's say I have a question about what's the general form of an ellipse equation. So to go about asking this to the AI bot, I first would go up to this upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to copy this link. So I'm going to highlight it and hit Control-C. Then I'm going to switch over to Discord. Back at Discord, I'm going to go to the appropriate channel on the left-hand side. In this case, it's going to be mathematics. And I'm going to go into my message box. I'm going to use another / command. So I'm going to do / and I'm going to do course help. There's two boxes that pop up, course link and question. We're going to paste in the link that we just copied earlier. For the question, I'm going to ask, what is the general form of an ellipse? And then I'm going to hit enter. Once the AI bot is done thinking, it's going to create a private thread that only you and the moderators can see in this message down here. If we click on this Analytic Geometry 12, this comes from the problem number in this section. We can see our question was the general form of ellipse, and then it gives the answer. If I want to ask a follow-up question, I can't just type into this message box. Again, I'm going to have to use a / command. This time, it's reply. I'm going to type in reply, and then I'm going to ask my follow-up question. What about a circle? After it's done thinking, it comes back with this. As mentioned, this is a private thread between you and the bot. But if you feel like you had a good question and the bot came back with a good answer, feel free to copy the message and then paste it into the relevant channel. To get you started using the bot, we wanted to highlight some examples of questions that we think the bot would be great for. Starting off, we have something I'm calling fundamental questions. This is seemingly basic knowledge that for whatever reason you need to brush up on, or maybe you missed entirely. No matter the reason, this is a great use case for the bot because it will explain it as in-depth as you want. Here we ask, what is a vector? And it comes back with the definition of a vector. If this is still too confusing, you can ask it in a reply using the / reply command to explain it even simpler or to give you examples. The second use case is useful for anyone who might be bilingual or maybe English is your second language. You can ask for whatever concept or whatever Kenza explains in the videos, and you can ask for it in another language. Here I'm asking the same question, what is a vector, but I'm now saying in Spanish, and it comes back again with a definition of a vector, but in Spanish. The third use case I'm calling active learning questions. This is, as you're watching the video, questions pop up in your mind and you want an immediate answer to why something was done. In our video that we watched with the ellipse, we can ask, why is B 0 in this video? And the AI tutor will come back and explain to you why those choices were made. The last example shows the bot being used as a summarizer. You can ask the bot to summarize in a series of steps exactly how the problem was solved. And then you can write this down, maybe using our notes feature or however else you want to do it, and then apply the same exact formula to any questions you see that are similar in the future. One last word of caution I'd like to leave you with is that even though we've gone to great lengths to make sure that the bot is fully accurate, it's still possible for the bot to make mistakes. It's important that you use your own critical thinking skills when you're engaging with the bot, and to also ask it to check its work occasionally and explain in further detail. Sometimes it can catch mistakes that it's made. Of course, if you still think the bot is inaccurate, you can always go to one of our support staff and then ask them the question, and they'll get back to you with an answer. Great. To summarize how to use the bot, you first agree to the terms of service using the / command. Then in any channel, you can use the / command course help. You paste in the link of the course and your question, and then a private thread is generated for you. If you want to ask any follow-up questions on that for further clarification, in that private thread, you would use the / command /reply. Currently, you're allowed to send up to 25 messages in a 3-hour period. That's 25 uses of either /course help or /reply. If you use up all 25 in that 3-hour period, you'll have to wait for the period to be over, in which case it will reset and you'll again have 25 instances. I hope you found this video useful. The examples I showed you about using the bot is just the tip of the iceberg, and we're super excited to see what else students use the bot for. Happy studying.